Hey everyone, Jeff Meyer here with Remax Camosun in beautiful Victoria, British Columbia. I just wanted to talk a little bit about open houses, specifically speaking to agents here, whether you're new to the business or a veteran top producer. There's always good ways to try to improve your business and grow it and meet new clients and create leads and convert them into sales. So just wanted to talk about open houses a little bit. And one thing I've found to be pretty advantageous is targeting an area. So I see a lot of realtors when they're trying to pick up more business, they do open houses in different parts of town and all over the place, and try to think of it, I guess, as maybe like having selection or, a little bit in that part of town, a little bit in that part of town, spread out a little bit. But one tip I wanted to just give to agents who are trying to get more activity at opens and convert more of those potential buyers into, listings or buyers themselves would be to target a neighborhood. So if you have an open house in one part of town, ask other agents that have listings in the area if you can do opens for them, and do 2 or 3 back-to-back open houses in the same neighborhood on the same day, or come back the next day and do another open house in a property nearby the one you just did. And this will just increase the chances of you bumping into the same people that you saw at the other open house, and they'll just get to know you. They will see you as an area expert, someone who knows that location. And most people who are shopping in a specific neighborhood will probably go to all the open houses available in that neighborhood, and you're not going to bump into that same person on the other side of town. So that would be one tip. Another one would be getting multiple sandwich boards and signs and just plaster a neighborhood. Even if a municipality has a rule against signs being put in the ground, usually open house signs that are temporary are allowed. So putting as many in an area as you can and trying to do the same neighborhoods over and over and over, just you'll start to find that people will get to know you and, again, think of you as someone for that area. And a lot of people who are coming through opens, you assume they're all buyers, but a lot of them are sellers. They're coming to feel out your marketing. They're coming to just meet an agent that knows the area. So we found that we actually pick up more listings from our open houses than we do buyers. Another thing is converting. So you've got people in your open houses. How are you getting them to use you as their agent? Are you trying to harass them for their contact information? Are you just trying to talk about how great you are and why they should use you? Or do you have some sort of a strategy for this? So one thing I found has been successful is offering value, and that might be a prize or some sort of gift basket or a bottle of wine or something where you might have on the counter a scorecard for what they think of this home. If you're hosting an open house for your own listing, it's a good way to be able to present the feedback back to your sellers. If you're doing another person's open house, it might be good value to that agent to let you do their opens in the future, where you can provide that good feedback. Also collecting the names of the agents the buyers might already have, if they have an agent, when they come through. You can provide that to the listing agent, which helps for notifying them for price reductions, or just to reach out to those buyers and find out if there's any interest there, right? So, but having like an iPad out with a scorecard or a gift basket at the end of every month, you draw everyone who's given you their contact info, and you can call these people up. You can put them into drip campaigns or whatever your special sauce is that you like to do. But yeah, anyways, just wanted to kind of share this with some agents if any of them are struggling to get the phone to ring or converting. But you got to set yourself apart in this business. You can't just do what everyone's doing. Open houses don't have to be 11 to 1 and 2 to 4 on Saturday and Sunday. Do an open house 3 to 5 on Friday when people are coming. If you got a house that's right beside a school, there's 300 parents in their minivans parked out front. Get an open house up from 3 to 5, on a Monday to Thursday. something like that, right? So think outside the box and set yourself apart. Make some cookies there, make the house smell delicious. Have water bottles if it's summertime. Get some ice cream cones going. Whatever, if they go to 3 open houses and you're all the same, then you're all the same. So if they go to 4 open houses and 3 of them are the same and one of them is you, and you kill it with handing out something or just being different than the rest, then they're more likely to think of you to buy or sell a home. So anyways, I hope this helps, and all the best out there. We'll chat soon. Bye bye.